How's everyone doing this morning? Boy, John is so right. Last year it was snow, it was cold, it was a tough spring, but this spring looks a lot better, doesn't it? Looks like we're having spring this year, and looking forward to tomorrow's mid 60s degrees and so forth. So welcome to CCM. We are really proud of our partnership with NJMEP. John is an individual that I admire greatly. I think he's just done an incredible amount of work around the state, brought a lot of attention that's very well needed for manufacturing as a whole, and we've all benefited enormously through that and by working together. At CCM, we often say we do great things, and we do even greater things when we have great partners. And John and NJMEP, a little early here, are among our very best partners. And we've got a lot of other great people in the room that we appreciate greatly as well. So I see Tony Russo is here and others. So welcome. We're very glad you're here for an incredibly important conversation, a lot of important networking, which allows us to really do our job across the state. When I came to New Jersey about 2.5 years ago, I think I was like a lot of other people that I kind of bought into the news media of manufacturing is dead in the United States and so forth. And John was one of the first people I met with who schooled me on the idea that it's far from dead. It's thriving, it's growing, and it's poised to become the #1 country for manufacturing in the very near future, that there are over 7,000 manufacturers in New Jersey. We have approximately 400 throughout our region. Our work is to help others do their work better, to be a support to them so that they can truly thrive, and that's why those partnerships are critically important. So we love manufacturing. We're here to support manufacturing with the support of John and many others throughout this county and around the state. We broke ground on a new engineering building right across campus. If you came through and saw the dirt and the bulldozers, that's what that is, 30,000 square feet, so we can better serve manufacturers in the area, and so we could introduce new programs for us like robotics, photonics, welding, sheet metal, and other programs, so our students have maximum opportunities to really advance their lives. So welcome. Very glad you're here. Look forward to talking with you and working with you as well. And if there's some way CCM can help you, don't hesitate to let us know that as well. Thank you.